Hey guys, it's Mo, and today I have a really super quick video for you. We're doing my March currently page. I have filmed a February one, and I did not film a January one, but I did make one. I will leave a link to the February one here in the card, and I do not have a plan for this currently page at all. Pretty much the whole month of March, I don't have any plans. I first try to use a, what do you call it, memory keeping sticker, thinking that it's going to fit in the errands box, but silly me, I didn't measure it properly and it doesn't. So I end up going and getting a piece of sticker paper that I just trimmed down. In my February one, the Happy Planner sent out some like Valentine's Day cards or something in an email. So I went ahead and used those so everything matched, but I just decided to trim down a piece of sticker paper here for this, and then I can just have that as a plain background for a photo, and I put a memory keeping sticker over top of it. So I will leave a link to where I get my sticker paper from. It's matte sticker paper. It's pretty, it's nice, it's thin, it's removable-ish kind of for the most part, and it's pretty cheap on Amazon. It's not on Prime, but I definitely think it's worth it for the price that you pay. So I just trim that down, use my whiteout to cover up the other parts of this dashboard layout. Pretty much I just recycle a dashboard layout and use that to make my currently page. I bought this dashboard extension pack and I thought I was going to use it and then I never did, and then I'm just trying to use up all of my supplies this year of what I have from the Happy Planner. So I put down that, I think it looks like it's upside down. Maybe I put it down upside down. I don't know. Shamrock little sticker there, and I probably will layer a photo on top of it. I'm also back in one of the memory keeping books and I put down the sticker that says love this, because then I just make a list of the things that have happened that month that I want to remember. Marcus ate some green beans this month. He started eating green beans. He did not like them. Just things like that, things that, you know, we do as a family. Maybe Marcus is crawling around, so he's kind of just scooting himself around, so maybe this month he'll actually crawl and I can write that down. I go in this super old washi sticker book. It's from ages ago, and I just get some washi tape. It doesn't go all the way to the edge like I would like it to, but I end up covering that with a sticker. Now I'm in this student book. Like I said, this was an all over the place kind of currently page. I was just looking for Shamrock and St. Patrick's Day and stuff like that, and there's not a lot in each single sort of holiday sticker book. You kind of have to look for it in a bunch of different ones, so I had to try and find some things that coordinated. I am excited to break out this spring book though. I just put the winter book back on my planner cart downstairs, and then I will have this spring one on my planner cart upstairs, because sometimes I'll be planning you know, at night. Marcus and I, Zach and I are watching a movie, or, you know, hanging out or watching YouTube or something, and I have my planner cart. I can doodle or plan or whatever, so I'm excited to have the what was I saying? The spring book in that thing. So now I'm just going through all of these things. I think this one was that the teacher one? I use the seasonal one, the teacher one, the this is your year one. I'm just looking for anything that has any type of green or anything spring looking and St. Patrick's Day looking, etc. But I'm also trying to save a lot of the stickers for when I do a St. Patrick's Day spread. So it's kind of like, you know, should I take it, should I not take it, etc. Then I put down the March header, and I go, this is in the dates and holidays book, and then I go and I get a 20 and a 20 to write down March 2020 in it. And I don't know, I'm thinking I might cover up where it says month of in these later ones and just put it right there, like put the name of the month right there. It just feels like some of the stickers don't fit in the way that I want them to fit in. So then I try and fill in this area. It ends up not looking right. I don't know. I can't tell if I'm satisfied with this. I may add some stuff later, but pretty much I'm setting up the currently page to be a memory keeping type of spread. So this is what I have. I take off this rainbow thing. That rainbow washi was from the teacher book, but this is what I end up with. This is what I settle for. We'll see if I add anything to it later. So Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more Plan With Me videos, I will have those linked down below. I will also have a link of all of the bullet journal spreads I have done so far this year. And thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.